Hello all, my name is Trikaleshwar. I am from Rajarajeshwari College of Engineering, studying 8th semester in ECE course. I joined here for DVB design verification using Verilog in Internship Technologies during September and August month. And why I joined here was I heard that this company was the sole distributor for Cadence tools all over India. That's great because Cadence is the most useful tool for EDA. EDA in the sense to design or verify or implement any semiconductor related design, we need certain tools. That tools is Cadence. Then why I joined here? That is because what we learn in college is nominal. Everyone, they just give us out manual instructions, follow that and get it. But here what happens is we know what is happening in industry and we know how things work in step-by-step procedure. But here no, they give us the aim, they teach us the procedure and they teach the importance, we get the result. It's not they who's showing us the result, it's we who get the result. And what tools we use? We use Cadence EDA tools. Here there are many subdivisions, Virtuoso, Incisive and Spectre, Ashura, all these tools. Each has one function to do in each step of semiconductor flow. Then who? Here we have great industry technicians. They have great experience in the field of teaching, as well as they know what happens here in semiconductor domain. For example, they can guide us. You will be learning this in college. Give importance to that. They even know what is happening in industry, so they can link us the bridge. So the bridge between the education as well as the college. This bridge is what they help us out. We have the corporate way around here. Everyone you should treat respectfully. And it's not always bro or sis, no. Here it is always sir, or you have to greet well. You have to follow certain procedures. Yes, so that's great. The experience is great. For a 1 month internship, this is really worth. You learn so many things other than college. Whoever is watching, give it thought for Internship.